What's up, Average Dad fans? It's another day, it's another headphone review. Today is the SONY WF-1000XM3s. Let's go! So here we are, the SONY WF-1000XM3. Again, Sony naming convention is trash. Headphones are good. So let's get into the unboxing. So before I actually unbox, I just want to tell you that these are truly wireless earphones or earbuds. They sit in the ear. They have 360 spatial audio. They work with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Oh, sorry, I've just triggered everybody's smart speaker. And they have 6 hours of battery life. Now that is with active noise cancelling on the whole time, with 18 hours of charge when you pop them in the case. So effectively you can charge them another twice over until you need to charge up the case. Now the benefit of the case as well, and we'll get into this, but it's USB-C charging, which means it will quick charge, so 10 minutes will give you around an hour and a half to 2 hours of listening time on the buds. So that's the headphones. Let's get into the box. Now, fairly straightforward unboxing here, no need for any knives. So you get your information stuff that I'm sure you all read, not some nice lined cardboard to keep the product fresh and clean. So this is your charging case, which I must say is pretty beautiful. That copper with the Sony branding on the top and USB-C at the bottom to charge. Really nice looking case with like a silicone-y type feeling round as well. It's going to be quite a durable case. One thing I've noticed in our videos though, and this is a bit frustrating I guess, is they don't really stand up. If you want to stand the case up, you have to put it on that nice copper, so potentially that could scratch. Who knows? Now we have the buds themselves, nicely marked right and left earbud. Now also in the box we have some manual with spare ear tips, which is really handy. So quite a lot to choose from there. Small, medium, large. There's already ear tips as part of the headphones pre-installed anyway. And then there's that USB-C A to USB-C charging cable. Again, that comes in really handy. Now the 360 spatial audio is a good feature as well as the noise cancelling as mentioned and the ambient mode. So that's what you get in the box. Now let's try them out. So headphones, how do they work? There are no physical buttons on the actual headphones themselves. You've got the touch sensitive pad. Now the touch sensitive pads work like most other smart wireless earphones. Double tap to skip a track, triple tap to go back a track on the right earbud, and one tap to pause, one tap to play. Same with answering a call, one tap to answer the call and then another tap to hang up. On the left earbud is how you activate ambient sound. Now these are smart ambient sound headphones. What that means is when you're wearing the headphones, if the headphones sense someone speaking around you, they will actually go into a more sensitive ambient mode so you can hear that conversation. Really actually quite handy. Now I've only tested these for a short amount of time, but I can tell you it works. With the noise cancellation, again you can toggle that on and off to save battery life. So without noise cancellation on, you're getting around 8 hours and then 24 hours from the charging case. So about 6 hours longer in total, which you may want to do, but I would argue that if you're spending close to £200 on a pair of noise cancelling headphones, you want them to noise cancel, so I would keep that on. The headphones pair with any device. They'll probably pair with an Android device a lot easier than iOS, not that it was hard. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a couple of apps. So you can see here, 2 recent apps I have are both Sony. So there's a Sony headphones app and a Sony music app. So in the headphones app, what you'll actually see is you can control your music settings as well. There's EQ that you can change. It will tell you your battery life, but this will also allow you to decide how much of noise cancellation you want, depending on certain areas. So it's smart enough to know that if you're on an aeroplane, for example, it's going to put the noise cancellation up to full, so that'll drown out that plane's whir. Likewise, if you're on a bus, maybe not as powerful as an airplane, so it'll bring the noise cancellation down. And again, as soon as somebody beside you starts to chat, then it'll turn on ambient, which I haven't really got to test too much because I'm obviously not leaving the house too much, but I think that would be a good feature, particularly if you're somebody that programs or works at your desk all day and you're allowed to listen to your headphones. That would be quite handy. So as I mentioned, you can control the music in here. So that's the headphone app, and in the music app you can see it connects straight away. This is where you can select if you've got a Spotify account, you can link it. Now I've got Apple Music, so as soon as I click on music, it takes me straight to the Apple Music. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up a track. You can judge me all you like. I'm going to go to my running playlist, and from here the last song I just added was Bad Guy by Billie Eilish. Go on, judge away. Now again, handy that these headphones are marked with like left and right. So let's just get these. Okay, so that's them plugged in. Let's select a track. Okay, turn the volume up. So I'm speaking, the volume's at full. I can just hear myself. Good bass. Let's see if we can play that without being in the earphone. There we go. So one thing I would say is obviously I've held those up to the mic there. They are not blocking out the noise for other people, but you're certainly getting the ambient noise blocked out with them. They do sit in the ear very nice, they are very comfortable. I think they look pretty cool. You can see a picture of them in my big fat head, but I think they look really nice. You get them in like a silver, they call it, but it's more like a gold colour. And they just look a bit tacky, to be honest, so I got the graphite, they call it. Now, as far as everyday use, I've only really mentioned the commute. Maybe that's how you use them, or sitting at a desk. You couldn't confidently, in my opinion, wear these running. Now, I run a fair bit, and yeah, I would not be confident to wear these running. Because they don't go over the ear in any way, they do fit snugly, so they have got, you know, a good in-ear fit, but I wouldn't be confident to take these running. So what do I use for running? I use these, the Powerbeats Pro. Now I'm going to do a full comparison between the two. Look at that iOS, that H1 chip, love it. Between these, and I've got another pair of headphones coming soon. That's the Microsoft Surface 2 buds, I believe they're called. They're coming, should be here in the next day or two. So I'll do a comparison between all three. This was a fairly quick unboxing with the review. Now they sound really good. They're £163 on Amazon just now in both colours, which is around, I think, £60 cheaper than they were when they were first released last year. If you're in the market for a set of earbuds that you don't need to go running with, then the XM3s I can I actually highly recommend, I'd say, especially with a cool case. I like that. If you are in the market for fitness headphones, there's only one option. It has to be the Powerbeats Pro. The way that these go over your ear, the fit, absolutely second to none. Second to none. If you're in the market for a stupidly expensive pair of over-ear headphones, please feel free to check out my review and kind of first week of usage with the AirPods Max headphones. I think you'll enjoy that one. Okay, I'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.